Good morning, students. Today's your topic is radar system. The basic idea of the radar system. The radar system can generally consist of a transmitter which can produce electromagnetically signals and which is radiated into the space using antennas. When signal is strikes an object, it reflects into many directions. This reflect signals is received by the radar antennas. And next is that there are six major parts of the radar system. The first one is a transmitter, second is waveguide, third is antenna, fourth is duplexer, and fifth is receiver, and last one is the threshold decisions. One by discuss करेंगे. First is transmitter. It can be power amplifier like a klystron, traveling wave tubes, or power oscillator like a magnetrons. The signals is first generated using waveform generated and then the amplified in the power amplifiers. So student seconds is the waveguide. The waveguides are the transmission lines for transmission of the radar signals. And third one is the antenna. The antenna can use the parabolic reflectors, planars, arrays or electroconical street phase arrays. Next is duplexer. A duplexer allow the antenna to be used a transmitter or receivers. It can be gaseous device that would produce the short circuits at the input to the receiver, then the transmitter is working. Receiver, it can be super heterodyne receivers or any other receivers which consist of the processor to process the signals and detect it. And last one is the threshold decision. The output of the receiver is compared with threshold to detect the presence of the any objects. And next one is the block diagram of the radar systems. This one, the antenna sends the signals to targets. Second one is target reflect to back the signals, and antennas transmitter a power amplifiers oscillators to send the signal to the receiver systems. And next one is the below is the decision making units and then the output. This is the block diagram of the different blocks in the diagrams. And next is the types of the radar system. There are so many types of radar systems. What basically two types of radar systems. First is the pulse radar and second is the continuous wave radar. The first is the pulse radar. Pulse radar sends the high power and frequency pulses toward the target objects. The range will be depends on the pulse repetitions frequencies. Is called the pulse radar systems. And second one is the continuous wave radar system. And the continuous wave radar system does not measure the range of the target, but rather than the rate of the change of range by measuring the Doppler shift of the return signals. So there are many applications in the radar system. There are five areas, and first one is the military application. Second is the air traffic controls and remote sensing, ground traffic control, and space. The first one is the military application in the air defense as it is used target detections. तो टारगेट डिटेक्शन करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है रडार्स. एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल it is to guide the aircraft to the land in bad weather using the precision approach radars. Remote sensing radar can be used for the observing weather. And next is the ground traffic control radar can also use traffic police to determine the speed of the vehicles. And last one is the space to guide the space vehicles for the safe landing on moon. There are so many applications of the